Hi traders and viewers, welcome back to my channel. So it's time, it's 8:36 a.m. now. So market will start in another 40 minutes. So before that, let's mark the major support and resistance levels for today's market. So if you observe the Singapore Nifty, it's already fallen around 200, more than 200 points. So by seeing the Singapore Nifty, we today we are expecting a big gap down. So I think around that will be around 500, 500 or 500 plus points. So in that case, last week Friday market closed at 36,000, around 36,000. So I'm expecting the market today uh, around 35,500 or below. So if you see the previous low, this was the low point here. This point it was on 25th April. This was the low point. So if you see that, this is the I just marked the blue line. So this is at 35,518. So this, if market open above this point 35,500, so this will work as a support level. Um, if market open below this line, again this will work as a, in return it will work as a resistance. So let's see, I mean, how market will goes today, but I'm expecting the big gap down. So see, I mean, after gap down, market may just give us some pullback to the some around 100 to 200 points. If the market sustain above 35,900, so we can expect the up move. Or uh, if it's not sustaining the above 35,900, so again we can expect the market for the downside. So let's see, uh, after market starts, let's see the trade. So we'll we'll meet you again after start the market. So as expected in the morning, market opened with a big gap down. So I think around 450 points gap down. So market started at this point here. So today, see, this is the today it's a negative day. I made a loss around 28,000. So I took two entries. First was went successful. I made 18,400 in the first entry, and in the second entry I lost 46,000. So overall, made a loss around 28,000. So let's go to the chart. I'll explain the exit and entries. So this is the today's market, right? So market started at this point. So my first entry is here, this candle, this candle. So I marked a trend line from the day's high. This is the day's high point here. So from here I marked a trend line to this point, and I was waiting for the breakout of this trend line. So here in this candle it is broken, and the EMA also crossed. So I took the entry here for the upside, and the exit is here, this place only, because this is the high point, right? So it will work as a resistance. So exactly from here it is reversed, right? So this I this was my target, and I took the profit as discussed around 18,000. I made it here in this first entry, and the second entry is that is failed actually. My prediction went wrong. So that is here. If you see, again I marked a trend line from the downside, from the beginning of this point to the at this point, by touching these low levels. So when I see this candle is broken this trend line. So immediately, I entered in this. I think this pullback candle here. In this, I entered here for the downside. So my target was this place, this low point. This was my target. So, but market played here only. I did not reach my target, and but reversed here. So here again it broken this trend line, and this candle hit my stop loss. This was my stop loss actually. This high point was my stop loss, and then this candle it hit my stop loss. So there the second entry I lost 46,000. So that is the second one. Okay, so that's it for today. Only two entries I have taken, and one is went successful, and one is I made loss. So that's it for today. Let's meet again tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.